Taking another initiative to help border population, the Border Security Force Frontier Meghalaya organized a Civic Action Programme on the 2nd of February 2022 at the border area of East Khasi Hills District. DIG Shillong Headquarters Jowai, Sandeep Rawat, who graced the occasion as chief guest, inaugurated a football match between Young Blood Sports Club Shella and Nonglait Kyrdoh Sports Club Ryngku. Later, the winners and runners-up were handed over trophies by the DIG Shillong Headquarters Jowai Shri Sandeep Rawat. During the event, various items such as football kits, cricket kits and other sports items were distributed to schools and clubs at the border belt. In addition, study material under pre-recruitment training for border youth were also distributed. The program was attended by approximately 150 villagers along with village heads and other officials of the BSF and civil administration. The villagers expressed their happiness and appreciated the Border Security Force for organizing the colorful event and donating important sports materials and literature towards the cause of the people.